Chapter 1. A Lonely Schoolyard. In a small village, there was a school. The school was old. The walls were gray. The yard was full of dust and stones. Children came to study, but they did not play. There were no flowers, no trees, no color. One boy, Ravi, looked at the yard every day. He felt sad. This place needs life, he said. Ravi was 10 years old. He loved nature. He loved flowers, birds, and green grass. One day, he had an idea. "I will make a garden here," he said. Chapter 2. A Small Start. Ravi went home and asked his grandmother, "Can I have some seeds?" She smiled. "Of course, my child." She gave him seeds for marigold, sunflower, and beans. The next morning, Ravi came to school early. He brought a small shovel and a bottle of water. He dug a little hole. He placed the seeds. He covered them with soil. He watered them gently. Other children watched. They laughed. "Why are you planting seeds in this dry yard?" one asked. Ravi smiled. "Because I believe they will grow." Chapter 3. A Friend Joins In. A girl named Sita saw Ravi working. She was curious. "Can I help you?" she asked. Ravi nodded. "Yes, please." Sita brought more seeds from her home. She brought water in a jug. Together, they planted more flowers. They cleaned the yard. They removed stones and trash. Day by day, the yard looked better. Some children still laughed, but some began to help. Chapter 4. The First Green Leaf. One morning, Ravi saw something new. A small green leaf was growing. He shouted, "Sita, come look." Sita ran to him. "It's working," she said. They danced around the little plant. Other children came. They saw the leaf. They smiled. Soon, more leaves appeared. Then small flowers bloomed. The yard was changing. Chapter 5. The Garden Grows. More children joined Ravi and Sita. They brought seeds, water, and tools. They planted rows of flowers. They made a small path with stones. They painted old pots. The teachers watched. They were surprised. "This is beautiful," one said. The headmaster came. He smiled. "You are making our school bright." He gave them more tools and paint. The garden grew every week. It had sunflowers, roses, beans, and butterflies. Children played near the flowers. They laughed and learned. Chapter 6. A Special Day. 1 month later, the village had a school celebration. Parents came. Guests came. Everyone saw the garden. They were amazed. "This is the best part of the school," one parent said. The headmaster gave Ravi and Sita a prize. "You started this with hope," he said. Ravi said, "We just wanted to make something good." Sita said, "And now it belongs to everyone." Chapter 7. A Message for All. At the end of the day, Ravi stood in the garden. He looked at the flowers and the smiling faces. He said, "A garden starts with one seed. A dream starts with one heart." The children clapped. The teachers smiled. The garden was not just full of plants. It was full of love, teamwork, and joy. Final message for learners. You can make a big change with a small step. Like Ravi and Sita, believe in your dream, plant kindness. Water it with hope, and one day, your garden will bloom. One step, one smile, one story closer to your dream. Keep learning, keep believing. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Linglish stories that lift you up.